Tapon mo naman yan. Tapon.
Hey, we're back.
Okay, we're back for our last batch.
Let's see if Mr.
Let's see if my
Affordable can do
my
his,
luck continues, huh? I hope.
Dude, if it's a Jordan Tiger Woods, I think
Oh my God,
I think
that will be unbelievable.
Jordan Tiger Woods.
Okay, Wayne Ellington. Oh
Oh
my
my
God. I thought it's someone else.
Yes.
Mo Williams nameplates. Oh, it's a patch. Patch of Amare. Extra patch. Oh, gold. Exquisite rookie autograph gold. Boots na naman.
Dalawa.
BJ Mullins.
May isa pa dito.
Come on.
Promise, may isa pa dyan.
Stephen
Yeah,
Curry
I
lang
know.
yung maganda makukuha ang ganyan.
Next.
Hindi ah.
No.
Gold na Evans.
Oh. It's Kobe.
It's not good.
It means not good. Rookie.
Yes, so far it's not looking good.
Oh my God, Mark Price.
Okay lang si Mark Price.
Where's this? Iverson. Oh,
Stephen Curry.
Okay lang, hindi yun.
oh, a Jordan
Still not
base
bad.
card, not bad. Oh, but we all already have the ultimate.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm? No, I think we're gonna get with his
Shut
luck.
up first, later.
Okay.
Wait, what's that? I think there's something nice.
Maybe. I think so too.
You're getting
Samyang.
You're getting Samyang's, huh?
Page,
Oh, it's a base. Oh, but when there's something like this, there's something better underneath. Eh. Ah! LeBron Magic Johnson! Oh my God! Oh my God! What is happening? What in the world is going on? Can you see that? It's me again. I pulled those three. Look. Look at me.
Wow.
Look at me. I'm a batter.
Oh, bakit? Dual logo man.
Wow!
No, I said LeBron Jordan.
Oh my
LeBron
God.
Jordan.
Counted na yan.
No. That's
I'll
Magic
just
Johnson.
bring this home and I'll call you tonight, okay?
No.
I'll call you tonight.
Wow,
oh
look
my
at that.
God. This is sick.
You're the ultimate.
I saw the LeBron, I knew it's dual logo man eh. The side.
Wow.
I know it's dual logo man.
Oh, hey, how about you put a LeBron Jordan now?
Oh,
Yeah.
water please, water, oxygen. Oh my God, what's going on? Woo!
LeBron
I
Jordan.
told you there's something nice, right?
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
There's something nice. Jared Henderson.
Kailangan regular yata yung gitna, no?
Harry Mag. Uy,
Oh,
that.
Dantley 104. 104, not bad. Then Tyler Hansbrough, OJ Mayo. Alright. See?
You're doing
Still,
well.
Oh my God. I think
Cause-
we pulled over $20,000 worth of those
You know
three
why?
cards.
Because there's
Huh?
nobody like you.
Yeah. I can dance.
No.
But I will not dance naked. I'm just dancing. Alright. Come on. Oh,
God,
BJ
BJ
Mullins
Mullins
again. Oh,
Big
Big
Al,
Al,
Big Al,
signature
Big Al.
patch. Who's this? Calderon.
Oh, not
Stephen Curry. And Big,
Big
Al.
Al again.
Okay. Woo! Oh my God.
It's like you get one good one per
Yeah.
set, huh?
Hey,
This is incredible.
be careful, you might have a heart attack, ha?
No, I think I have nicotine in my ass now. OJ Mayo base.
Wala kang retro, ha? Rookie, ha?
James Johnson. Who's this? Jason Kidd.
I think there's
Signature
something.
patch.
No.
Well, with his luck, he's gonna pull a retro Jordan.
Oh, it's just a jersey. And a LeBron base card. Okay.
Maybe we can get the LeBron. Ano?
Yeah,
Yeah, last case.
Last case, let's see.
We also wala tayong double logo mo pa ni LeBron, ano?
LeBron.
ito.
Hindi na nakuha.
Hindi ko alam, I have to check.
Wala. First natin yung dual logo man. Okay, last case. Okay, Earl Clark. Uy, Jerry West, number pieces.
Nice patch.
Nice one. Then we have
Karl Malone.
Karl Malone. Terrence Williams, and another LeBron. Base card. Okay, last two.
Last two. Are you still lucky?
I hope. I hope there's still luck in this one.
Sobra.
So we go to the US when you get a LeBron Jordan.
Yeah, oh my God, please. Please give me.
Uy.
Oh, it's a buyback.
Mike Bibby again. That's
Buyback.
our fourth. Fourth, di ba?
Number pieces, Clyde Drexler. So
BB
this is
replaced.
number
Pare,
220.
apat na Bibi, di ba?
Oh, J.R. Smith, for your friend.
Lumabas yung T-Mac natin, pare.
Mabati.
Okay, last.
Alam ko may isa
Last
tayong
box.
stretch natin na
Okay, come on. For our
Finale.
9 cases of the ano, no? 09, 010.
Finale.
Grabe, no? 3. Okay, for the finale.
I told you, less is more, less is good. Uy,
Oo.
patch yun, pare.
Yeah, patch, I know. That's the jackpot already.
Yeah, let's see our finale.
Oh, but the jackpot is very, of course. Ooh! It's the 8s of, what is this? East. 6-man.
Okay.
Hamilton, Harrington, Jermaine O'Neal, Tyrus, Thomas, Nick Young. Okay, that's it, folks.
Pakita mo yung patch sa likod. Baka may maganda.
Marami maganda.
Uy!
Really nothing.
Still good.
So what did we get?
Not
Out of the 9 cases?
9
First
cases.
case, this one. Ay, first batch.
This one.
second batch,
Second
third
batch.
batch.
Third batch.
Third batch. Wow.
Thank you, guys. Hope to see you again.
In next time.
Yeah,
Hey!
hopefully next week.
Weren't you supposed to dance naked if you get a LeBron?
Yeah, maybe next time. Okay, bye. Salam Hamid Dabo.